This is Jason, a content creator for DIY tools, and he is on a journey to find the best cordless air blower on the market. So here he is, in this random studio surrounded by a bunch of stuff. And this is the product he's going to test, the AirCannon, the ultimate air blower with 124 miles per hour power. Let's see what this product is capable of. The showcase of the AirCannon's power starts with Jason blowing away a bowling ball. Wait, a bowling ball? Okay, that's impressive. The amount of force coming from the AirCannon allows Jason to do almost anything he wants. Here, he shows off his compact AirCannon by blowing up water. That's one heck of a compact air blower with such power. I guess he doesn't need all that much water. And speaking of water, drying a car is now much faster without damaging your precious vehicle. All right, great job, Jason. Now, it's time for Jason to do some chores. When it comes time to clean up leaves around your house, there's nothing better than the AirCannon. In just a short amount of time, you're able to tackle other tasks. Let's go, Jason. You know how numbers don't lie, right? Even though Jason has shown you how versatile the AirCannon is, some people may still doubt how good the product actually is. So Jason prepared a DIY product evaluation. There are 3 parts: force test, wind speed test, and noise test, comparing them with the best-selling products from other brands. And without further ado, here are the results. As you can see, with great power comes great wind speed and noise. And wow, those are surprising numbers. The results show that even in scientific tests, the AirCannon is trustworthy. Jason proved that the AirCannon possesses that power, while maintaining a compact size. Way to go, Jason. Great result. One of the few things Jason wants to point out before we wrap up is the heat emission. The AirCannon doesn't heat up easily, even after heavy usage, which is quite surprising compared to others. Lastly, its versatility with 3 nozzles allows Jason to finish his chores in any environment. So this is Jason with his AirCannon. And by the look on his face, he's now 100% sure he wants to purchase it. With its lightweight, great airspeed, and high CFM, the AirCannon stands out even among cordless air blowers. Get a storm in your hand, the AirCannon.